episode, I am going to continue for the medical equipment demonstration. So now basically we want to know the current. So current is an electrical and electronics. Two types are there. Electrical is voltage of 220 volt to 240 volt power. Electronics is a 5 volt to 10 volt and 20 volt. So current is ampere, 15 amps and 5 amps and 15 amps. Strength. Frequency is 50 hertz. For 10, current is in micro ohms. Power is 0 to 80 volt. Frequency is 2 to 50 hertz. See, actually, current electrical mainly is traction, software like that equipment. Electronics are under TENS and IFT like that because of low voltage current. TENS, TENS, TENS means transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulator. That is the low frequency stimulation. As per the pain management, we are using a low frequency stimulation for pain relieving. Under the gate control theory principle, we are blocking the sensation, not entering into the brain. Slowly, automatically, the problem is solved, then the pain will be get relaxed. Pain can be relaxed, not relieved. You know very well, pain cannot be relieved unless the pathological problem is released. Now the power for the TENS is 0 to 80 volt output. Current is micro ohms. Normally we are using 5 volt and 15 volt current in our electrical. That current cannot be used for the body stimulation. So we have to give the micro amps. That is very mild current we are giving. Frequency. Different type of TENS are having a different type of frequencies. So some TENS having 2 to 50 hertz, some TENS having 2 to 100, sometimes are 2 to 500 hertz. This is the frequency available in the different varieties of TENS. Acute pain. It is very useful for an acute pain. Chronic pain also cured. Selection of controls. This is one type of TENS. In the TENS we can see one amplitude and frequency. So the amplitude is the power, as we are telling us we can give to 0 to 80 volt. Frequency is a 2 to 50 hertz frequency. The selection of the current and frequency is according to the tolerance of the patient, we have to increase the voltage. 0 to 80 volt. We should not give more voltage. And frequency is inversely proportional to the depth. That is, low frequency is the deeper penetration, high frequency is for superficial penetration. For deeper pain relieving, you have to give the low frequency. So for superficial, you give the high frequency. So this is the basic concept of the TENS stimulation. And we can ask the patient which frequency and which voltage is sufficient for them, happy for them, you can set it. Nowadays, the pocket TENS is the patient consumable item that themselves can use it. Normally, some companies having a wave pattern, sine wave. Sine wave TENS is not a proper TENS. It is only a basic stimulator which you are using for a peripheral stimulation. But this type of waves is the best one which helps you to relieve the pain. So this is the concept of the TENS. But when you're giving a TENS, patient has the irritation. Small counter irritation is there. For to avoid the counter irritation, we are going to tell about the TENS. So this is the basic concept of the TENS. This is pocket TENS. This was manufactured by me long back. And so this is the portable pocket TENS. This is a consumable product. You're having a controls, amplitude and frequency. This on-off switch. It is worked by the 9 volt battery. So these are two outputs. So this on switch, when on it, you see the pulsation. Frequency is nothing but a pulse per second. Now it's a 2 pulse per second. Now I'm slowly increasing the frequency. It's a 50 pulse per second. Now I'm decreasing. So we have to connect our electrode here and connect the electrode into the required area. So this is the patient cable. This is a rubber electrode, rubber conductivity electrode. We have to use a jelly for contact because this is a rubber electrode and the skin is there. Two different areas you have to get contact. You have to use a Pakka jelly. And we have to select the pain area and connect the electrode. This is the control. We have to connect the cable here. So now we are getting a 2 pulse per second. So this is the voltage increase. This is a decrease. This is a frequency increase. For deeper pain, give the low frequency. In low frequency, give the low frequency. And for the superficial, increase the high frequency. But you can ask the patient which frequency and which voltage is sufficient for them. See, this is an high voltage. It won't irritate anybody. That is, it won't give any harm to the patient. No side effect. No addict. This can be used for migraine, Bell's palsy, and back pain, lumbar pain. Any pain you can use and you can relax the pain. But I am not recommending this for the front abdominal side, front chest side. Because pathologically, this abdominal pain is a surgical problem. Unless you give the surgical problem, it will be problematic there. So, front side don't use it, back side, knee pain, joints pain, headache, migraine, all the pains you can use it. This is a pocket model, even patient can themselves use this. This cost about 1,500 rupees. Anybody can get it and like Amazonium, they can keep one unit on the side. Even for small kids, you can use it. Small kid to old people, you can use it.